Hi, John. I was just thinking about our summer holiday this year. I have heard that in the Faroe Islands they have two very nice music festivals. And it is a very nice place.
Hi my lovely lady, nice to see you. Sounds interesting to visit a festival with you in the summer. When are the festivals? And what kind of music do they play?
Well, I know that one is 14th to 16th of July 2011. The other one is in 4th to 6th of August. The dates are perfect. Do you want me to look at it? They have web pages in English. The web pages are SUMMARFESTIVALUR. FO and the other one is GFESTIVAL. FO. We could go to my place, after you stop working, and check it out. Okay?
Yes, I would love to. I'll see you when I stop working.
Yes, talk to you later. I'll just sit here, and finish my beer, and then I'll go home.
Okay, cheers. I'm already looking forward to visit the festivals in the Faroe Islands.